Yo, what's up everyone? Everyone has been asking me for another Cinema4D tutorial. This one is gonna be shorter and better, so enjoy. Oh, and by the way, about 90% of you guys are not subscribed, so if you haven't subscribed to me yet, please subscribe. We're about to hit 100 subs, so I can get a custom URL, so please subscribe, okay? Thank you. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is, of course, open up the Gap Lightroom again. Why Gap Lightroom? Because it's the best Lightroom out there. Go copy it right now, link is in the description. So you want to go to the bottom left, you want to go to your search bar, type in Lightroom Gap and it should open up. Then you have a little preset on the top right. You want to or either change the name, fill in a name, or you want to do a logo. This case I'm gonna do a logo because it's a little bit harder than a text render. A file, merge, you want to drop in AI. This case I'm gonna do my personal logo probably. File logo, AI, there you go, there's your logo. You want to press this little cube thing on the top left. Then you want to increase the size. Then you want to click the move tool again. Then you want to press the green arrow, drag it up, and then press the red arrow, drag it to the left, get it right there, nice and in the center over there, you know. Yeah, okay, then you want to press 3 so you can move around, press 2 so you can zoom in and out, press 1 so you can move around. Okay, you just want to get a grip of that, okay? So once you have done that, center your camera point of view. It's most likely, it's really important because otherwise your render will suck. Then you want to go to the to this toolbar over here. You want to press this, shift click this little cube thing, whatever it is. Then go to extrude. Yeah. You want to select the paths you have in your logo. If you just have one path, just drag this thing under your extrude. You want to connect these objects by pressing right click and then connect objects. You want to drag this path 1.1 to extrude. You want to make sure the arrow goes down. There you go. You have your logo in white right now. Then what you want to do is drag in your material and there you go. You should have your logo loaded in. I don't know why this still shows up. Fuck that. Okay. Extrude. So there you go, you have your 3D thing logo. Then you want to set the depth by clicking on it, go to object, movement, and the last thing over here is your depth of the logo. I usually set it to about 100. Okay, there you go, you have it 3D. Okay, so what you want to do now, center it again. Okay, there you go, it looks centered. You want to go to save, you want to press the 3 little dots, and then you want to just Flikzify render. There you go. If you guys want to use my logo, by the way, just for practice or whatever, link to my assets in the description. Okay, thank you. So over here you want to select PNG, alpha channel, 8-bit dithering. Your output should be something like this could be 1920 by 1080. It's really up to you. You want to have 72 resolution, just copy it. So I'm not going to show any of this because these are the Lightroom presets and you will have to buy this Lightroom to gain access to these presets. But yeah, that's basically how it works. Once you have done that, so the render settings are in this little thing. I didn't mention it because I'm talking like really fucking fast right now. So then you want to go to the thing on the left with the little icon over here, the middle view thing. I don't know how to call it shit, the middle clip. Okay, so then it should be rendering. It's rendered now. You can see it has the little 3D layer behind it. Then you want to go open up Photoshop. In my case, I'm gonna close Cinema4D. You don't have. They want to press file, new, whatever dimension you're using the 3D for. In this case, I'm gonna do my tutorial with a header size, place embedded. Then you want to go to your file location where you put your render in. There you go, you have your render. Center it by clicking Ctrl A and then the little movement tool and then this one and this one. Next thing you want to do, and a lot of people don't, a lot of people go to this and either do this, set it to overlay and think, okay, done. No, stop, don't do that. If you have a text render and you want to go for something clean, create a new layer, create clipping mask. You want to make sure your hardness is on 0, okay? Flow on 90, okay? Then you want to drag and do this shit, you know, overlay. There you go, you have a clean little render. But we don't want that in this tutorial, okay? We want it gradient mapped. So nice colors. You want to select this little circle thingy on the bottom right, gradient map. Create a clipping mask by right clicking it and then create clipping mask. There you go, you have your gradient map. You want to click on it, then you have your gradient editor opened up. Then you want to click this little brown preset over here. Everyone should have it. It's a standard gradient. There you go, you have a little thing loaded in. You can choose either any one of them, but I personally prefer this preset, and then you can just adjust the sliders. I'm gonna do red in my case, but you can do any color. So basically just drag all that shit up, just like that. This one exactly the same. There you go. and you should have your render over here. It looks fucking ugly, okay? So what you want to do now is you want to adjust these kind of things. You want to set this part a little darker. You want to get this probably around here. Yeah, this looks good. You just want to mess around with these settings, okay, until it looks good. Just mess around with all the sliders. There you go. This looks good. Okay, so this is not exactly in depth or anything. Don't expect me to like make this render insanely good or whatever. It's just a little bit of explanation on how to do a nice render. So there you go, this looks good. Then you want to merge these two layers. Ctrl E, you can do that, or right click and then merge the layers. You want to Ctrl G, filter gallery, and this is where the magic, okay? So right now you can do paint daubs. They look pretty good, but I wouldn't suggest for the 3D editor because it will look fucking ugly. Okay, there you go. You have your accented edges. You want to select the edge width to like 3, I would say. 27 brightness, yeah, 26 brightness actually. There you go. You have your edges a little bit brighter, okay? Merge the layers again, and there you go. You have a nice little thing. Next thing you want to do, what you could do actually, Control Shift and N. Then it opens up this little menu, okay? Mode, you want to set it to color dot. You want to click this little thing, this square, okay? Then you open up a new layer. It should be black. Then you want to select a white brush, and then you should have this little lighting bulb. Okay, so what you want to do now is set the flow to 40 on the top over there. Then you want to increase the size just a little bit. You want to make the top part a little bit lighter, okay? So just like that, you have a clean render. There you go, my friend. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe to my channel, go follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/Flikzify. Also go to my Instagram, instagram.com/Flikzify. But if you decide to follow me on just one platform, follow me on Twitter, because I am really inactive on Instagram. Okay, so once you've done that, I would say now you're good to go. This was the tutorial. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.